I got to get this Trekkie guy on. Victor in Silver Springs, Maryland. It's a great series. I love the series.
The Final Frontier.
Final Frontier. Very sound of that puts chills up people's spines, Trekkie spines.
The voyages of the starship
Enterprise.
Its 5-year mission.
5 years.
To explore strange new worlds. To seek out new life and new civilizations.
And boldly go.
To boldly go where no man has gone before.
All right, Victor, how are you? You're a Trekkie?
I'm a Trekker. Big difference.
What's the difference between a Trekkie and a Trekker?
Trekkie is someone who's more interested in buying merchandise and trying to get autographs from the stars. I was more serious. I was more interested in the space program, and I wanted to show off the very first talking calculator that was invented in 1976. And when I showed that thing to Nichelle Nichols, she had to play with it through the whole weekend.
That probably made you angry because you actually thought she was really into this and not an actress.
Yeah, she was very much into the space program, and a couple of things.
I don't even know who I'm talking about, but I'm winging it and guessing it. That's a professional radio person here. Let me ask you. So, there's the Trekkies are the ones that want William Shatner's autographed and
right, and the
didn't Leonard
Trekkers
Nimoy die? Passed away, right? Did he pass away?
And the Trekkers are the ones who want to see the space program continue. Two things happened during my 300 Star Trek conventions I've gone to. Started in 1973, and my last one was 1994. In 1976,
Victor.
we were successful in having a petition drive and got enough names for NASA to name the shuttle the Enterprise. Not the one that flew, but the very first shuttle. In 1979, we were successful in getting...
All right. No. You keep moving. Victor, I got Victor. Don't you think you're taking this a little too seriously? Trekkie, Trekker. I mean, don't you... Listen, I don't mind that you have a passion. I like people that have passions in life. And you know what? A lot of guys have passions that they shouldn't have. Drinking, drugs, women. I think whatever your passion is great. I like sports myself. I don't have a problem that you're a Trekker, not a Trekkie, but 300 Trekker conventions sounds a little, bordering on obsessive. The way you're talking here, it's like 1976 we did this, 1979 we did that. It sounds like you're a little too into this.
Well, if it weren't for us, there would have not been a Voyager project. We would have never seen the other moons of Jupiter and Saturn, learned many new things. We talked about the space program.
Listen, I'm glad we've done all those things. And if you help to make that happen, if the Trekkers, not the Trekkies, got to distinguish between the Trekkers and the Trekkies. But if the Trekkers made that happen, I'm all for it. Look, whenever we get pictures back from space, I am amazed at the majesty and the beauty and frankly at how little I really know. I mean,
Sean, did you realize that the same technology that's used to enhance the pictures that we get from these probes can now be used to enhance pictures so doctors can figure out what's going on?
No, this is true. By the way, that's because a lot of medical advancement is a result of the money that we have invested into the space program. That's 100% true.
And that very first talking calculator that was invented by a scientist for his blind daughter so she could take a math course, now you can get them for less than $25.
I got it. All right. Did I insult you in some way? If I did, I'm going to apologize. I did.
Oh, in a very small way you did, but I'm not going to be whining and crying about it. I just had to make a comment.
All right. Well, you sound like a nice guy, and you might scare me if I saw you at a convention, but I bet if I sat down and talked with you...
No, if you saw me at a convention, I'd probably be showing you something I bought that came out of the space program. I also met Hugh Downs.
Really? From 2020? Yeah.
From the days of
All right, let me say this as I say goodbye. I want you to live long and prosper, okay?
I thank you.
All right, you're very welcome. That's intense passion for Trekkie. Trekker, is it Trekkie or Trekker? Trekkie is the one that wants the autograph. Trekker is the one that's into the space program.
He is a Trekker. The Trekkie is the one who would say...
All right, I stand corrected.
Listen,
What?
Valuable information from our audience.
Apparently.